Latch is one of the most important parts of breastfeeding. A good latch will make breastfeeding comfortable for both mom and baby. Before you start, you'll want to make sure that baby's ears, shoulders, and hips are in a straight line. Next, lean back. It's important to bring baby toward you with his belly facing your belly. Once you're in a comfortable position, point your nipple toward baby's nose, gently touching his top lip. Baby's mouth will open, looking for food. Let the head tilt back and bring baby toward the breast chin first. Once he's attached, you'll see that his cheeks and his chin are pressed firmly against the breast and his nose is free to breathe. His lips should be flared outward. If the latch feels uncomfortable, simply stick your finger in the side of the mouth, breaking the suction, and try again.